Hey everybody, welcome back. So my first giveaways ended and I am super excited because I will be finally announcing the winner of the giveaway, which was the Beatles gel kit. But before I do, I definitely want to express my deepest gratitude to all those that subscribed and have their notifications on, waiting for more content to come. Your support is greatly, greatly appreciated. And I'm super, super looking forward to all of the ways that I'm going to be able to give back, because this giveaway is really just the first of so much more that's to come. So without further ado, the winner of this Beatles gel kit giveaway is, drumroll please, Elizabeth, extra H with an X. Congratulations on winning this kit. It's definitely a great kit to start for any beginner nail tech, and I'm just really excited that I'm able to contribute to that journey, even in a little bit. Now, I cannot message you through YouTube. It's been a little bit of a pain. I haven't figured that out. But if you could please contact me through my IG DMs at ohmygel. That way we can get this kit out to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, everyone who entered. Make sure that you stay tuned, because I have a feeling that the next one's going to be much sooner than later. So thanks you again, everyone, for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.